Welcome to another Nucida training session to get more familiar with AskUI Studio. If you want to take screenshots during your execution of AskUI Studio, or if you're eager to capture those dynamic moments, look no further. This enlightening video is tailor-made for you. Unlock the power of annotation levels to immortalize your journey. Whether it's after each step taken or in the face of a challenge encountered, you're in control. Yet, there's a hidden treasure trove of knowledge when it comes to saving these snapshots as pristine PNGs, and the key lies within the TypeScript of AskUI Studio. The first thing you need to do is to import the FS module from Node.js, and then you need to know a little secret in the annotate function, as I mentioned before, because it returns an object which we can use to save an image. In this object, the image is already there in base 64 encoded form. We use a buffer to extract it into a variable and then use the FS module to write it to our file system. The image should now pop up in the path you specified. In this example, we specified the root folder of our project, but you can save it anywhere you want. Taking screenshots is a relatively easy feat, but you can use this, for example, to create screenshots for your user documentation. There's a lot of utility in that AskUI Studio command. So, heed this call to adventure. Let your screen be your canvas, your annotations, your brushstrokes, and TypeScript your guiding star. Unveil this artistic alchemy to etch your narratives onto the fabric of code, for the journey is both yours and your audience's to relish. Give us a thumbs up if you like this content and want to see more videos on this topic. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to stay in touch with us. Happy testing and see you next time.